Niguo gukinyaniria mutaratara wa mathomo wa CBC, mufango wa thirikari ukoretwo ari gutigirira arutani othe ni mamukira mathomo, mutaratara uria ukoretwo ugikinyanirio na matena. Mwaka uyu tu Makiria ya arutani ngiri ikumi ni macokete thukuru-ini cia urutani niguo gukorwo makiambatiria ngathi kimathomo, na kuringana na Minister wa Githomo George Magoha, namba ino itanyitwo guthii na mbere kuongerereka.
This year we have gone out of our way for those teachers who are upgrading from certificate to diploma, which shall be fully CBC oriented. We have taken 10,000 and not 8,000 like I had stated. And this is in addition to the freshers who are 2,000. So the TTCs are working at reasonably full capacity because we have to leave space for those coming next year.
Magoha augite gutire na gitumi gia kugia na wagagu o wothe, kuona arutani aria matanyitwo kuerera mathomo ma CBC thini wa grade ya gatandatu mwaka ukite ni mareketie kuharirika.
In April of this year, we shall not only train teachers for grade 7, but we shall also train teachers for grade 8. So that as we move forward towards 2023, our not being there individually is not important. The most important thing is that we shall be leaving a government which has fully prepared our children to move into grade 7.
Ekwaragia o hindi ya icera riake kaunti-ini ya Nyeri na Kirinyaga, kuria eguthurimaga waki wa irathi njeru cia CBC uria urathii na mbere.
Best county is at 99% and that county is Garissa. I think they are coming with all of them together. And I think a very huge percentage is now at finishes, and they'll just finish at one go.
Hindi ya icera riri, Magoha ni aruguririe kiganda kia iria thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Nyeri.
That the government is ready and willing, when they come up with a concept of how to turn milk into powder, this can be done so that the single farmers on the ground who have the small-scale farmers can bring their milk throughout so that the milk is turned into powder, and this will help the country stop importing milk from countries, some of them from neighboring countries.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Jitagogena wa Wadiro.